Hey, what's up guys? In this class I will show you how to increase the upload limit, which is put up by this all-in-one WP Migrate. So basically I have this plugin. I will provide the link of this plugin in the description of this video or anywhere associated with this video. So this is the very old version of the all-in-one WP, which is allowing you to change this limit. Okay, so I have changed this limit to 10 GB, and let me show you how to do that. Just go to plugin editor over here. Inside of the plugin, click on this plugin editor, and after that you have to select all-in-one WP and select over here, and after that you have to go to this constants.php and just scroll down somewhere around 254 line 254. Okay, over here you will see this maximum file size. Okay, so initially this will be this number, and what you have to do is put this multiplication sign and multiply it by 20. Okay, so once when you do this, just initially let me just show you how this will be. Initially when you will be coming to this 254 line, you will get value something like this. You just have to come over here and put one asterisk and multiply it by 20, and once you make these changes, just scroll down and click on this update file, and once this has been done, you will get this message, file edited successfully. Then just go to this import option over here, and now you will see this value of 10 GB. Okay, so now you just have to click on this import file, click on this file, and currently my file is present inside of this. I will just select this file, and it will upload it. Okay, so if you want, you can just interrupt this import by clicking this stop import, or you can just let this import continue, and once everything has been uploaded or imported 100%, then you will be able to see your imported website. Okay, so this is how you can change the limit and import the website. Thanks for watching.